Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy. It's time for another review of a brand new Carpuride unit for your car. If you have an older car and you want to add Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS, music, Bluetooth, any of those things, this will do it for you, and this one even takes you one step further. It's got a new feature that blew me away. You'll see when you watch the rest of this video. Something really cool. None of the other Carpuride units have it. This is my 5th review of Carpuride products, and I feel this is the best one. Well thought out, fantastic features, low profile, you can't go wrong. This newest version is the Carpuride W903. And if you want to pick one of these up, just click under the video where it says more or show more. There will be some links there, and you can use my coupon code GEOFATBOY, which will give you 15% off. But between now and November 11th, 2023, you'll get 30% off. So if you want one, jump on it right away. Save some money. I'm going to unbox it, show you all the parts that come with it, and then I'll energize it. We're going to turn it on, power it up, and we'll go through all the features as well. All right, let's get to work. This is the latest and greatest unit from Carpuride. It's the W903. It gives you wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, car stereo. It has a 2.5K dash cam, a backup or reverse camera. It's a portable 9.3-inch IPS touchscreen. It has a car radio receiver with mirror link, Bluetooth, navigation, and Siri. Let's take a look around the box. Here's the front: CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, Android Cast. In-vehicle multimedia solutions, phone link, traffic record. You can actually record the traffic in front of you. Use this as a traffic cam. It has a high-definition IPS touchscreen. It will accept a memory card, so what you record will show up on the memory card. It has a rear view camera, voice controls, auxiliary port, and a USB port as well. Let's open it up and have a look. Very well padded, protected. The screen is wrapped in plastic for protection, and it also has a cover on it which can be peeled off, but we'll leave it on. Let's see what else is in the box. This is a microphone cable. This is the power cable. You plug this into any cigarette lighter outlet, and then this USB cable will plug directly into the unit to power it up. This is one of your mounting options. This is a sticky pad. You can stick this on your dashboard. The unit has a female mount receptacle right here that will slide right onto this unit like so. So on your dashboard, it will be just like that. Nice and easy. Here's an instruction booklet. Tells you everything about it. This is the main mounting bracket for the unit. Unscrew it. You can adjust it inward, outward. Unscrew this. You can adjust it up and down. So you have lots of versatility for adjustments on your dashboard or wherever you choose to mount it. Here's a mounting pad. You can screw this to something and then suction cup the mounting device directly to it. Or you can put this on your dashboard and it has a sticky pad. You can suction this mounting bracket directly to that. So many different ways to mount it. This bracket will fit directly into the back of the unit like so, and then this will go up on your dashboard and it will sit like that. Very easy. It also comes with this reverse camera right here. You want to wire this in so that when you shift your vehicle into reverse, this camera will activate, it will be energized, and it will show you everything that's behind you. I have a video showing how to install this. I'll put a link to it here that you can click on that and see how I installed this from the rear of my vehicle all the way up to the front. And this plug right here plugs into the unit to power the reverse or rear view camera. Let's look at the physical dimensions of it. It is about 9.5 inches by 3 3/4 inches, and the thickness is less than 2 inches. It's got a low profile screen, so this won't take up much room on your dashboard. You'll be able to see easily over the top of it or around the sides of it as well. Here's the top, here's the bottom, one side and the other side. These are all your ports right here. As I said, you have the microphone input, you have the SD card, you have AV in, and then you have the USB-C, which is the power supply for the unit. To me, the neatest feature that makes this unit completely well thought out is this feature right here. You just push it up like so, and then you can use this as a traffic camera. Say you're driving, it will look out to the front. This will be your traffic camera recording everything to the front. You can adjust it any way you want, up to 180 degrees. If you want to use it as an inside the vehicle camera, you just turn it this way. Say your children are in the back seat in their car seats and you want to keep an eye on them, you can just turn that left or right. Again, 180 degrees either way. The camera also swivels up and down and side to side, giving you total flexibility on what you want to view with it. Let's power it up and see what it looks like. This is the cable that comes with it. This is what you'd plug into your cigarette lighter. So I have a mock-up here. This is your cigarette lighter, your female receptacle in the car. Just plug in to that. You can see that it lights up. This is also a USB port. You can plug into this to charge your phone or other device in your vehicle. Very versatile. Let's plug in the unit. Here's the USB-C port. We will plug direct, and it's an angled plug, so it won't protrude. It goes in nicely like so, and you can do it either way. The unit is already powering up. That was quick, and that was loud. Here's your home screen. Here's the on-off button. To turn the unit off, just press the button. Goes off. Turn it back on. Press the button. Comes back on immediately. First thing we want to do is lower the volume. So you're going to hit this green button. You can hear how loud that is. Very loud. So we want to lower this. Just scroll it down. Now that should quiet it. Oh, much better. We don't want it that quiet. We want it about there. There we go. So we can hear a little bit and it's not annoying. This is your home screen. Let's check out the features. This is Apple CarPlay. Just hit that. You can pair this directly with your phone. This is your Android Auto right there. Apple AirPlay. Android Cast. So it gives you a lot of features. You can do Wi-Fi video as well. So all you do is scan this code or pair it with your device. Audio output. The sound is played by the speaker of the machine. This is your audio output. So you have Bluetooth audio, FM. These are your stations. So you can use this as a standard FM radio, AM radio, plug in an auxiliary port, and use it that way as well. Brightness on the screen, but you can just drag, tap and drag either way to brighten the screen or dim the screen. You can also plug in headphones into that auxiliary port. Wow, here's your camera. That's amazing. So if you want to keep an eye on your kids in the back seat, there you go. Very simple. If you want to see what's going on in front of you, you would just do that. Adjust it that way. That's a great feature. If you have a memory card plugged in, you can record directly to the memory card. You can take photos. This is your playback feature. So if you want to see what you recorded, you just tap on that. Tap on the actual recording. There it is. That was me a few seconds ago. It even gives you the time and the date in the upper right hand corner. If you want to go back to the home screen, just hit the arrow back. It takes you back to the home screen. Here are all of your settings. So you have a screensaver. You can select the screensaver to turn off after 10 seconds or 30 seconds or never turn off. Your driving position, left rudder, right rudder. That's if you are in the UK or if you're in the US. Split screen mode. Split screen mode is only supported by Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So you can split the screen and you can show the actual screen or what you're recording on the other side of the screen. You can split it up that way, which is really nice as well. The brightness, just tap and drag to whatever setting you like. Assistive touch, you can turn off or on assistive touch. Clear connections, do you want to clear the connection records with the phone, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cast? So you can clear everything out if you wish to do that. Here's your camera settings. So camera format, 720p, 720n, 1080p. Just leave it at 1080p. That's the best screen resolution, so we'll leave it there. Split time, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. Microphone, turn on or off microphone. Rear mirror image, you can turn that on and off as well. And then reverse line calibration, this is for your reverse camera. You can tap and drag these and adjust them very easily. System, language, all your different languages, Chinese, English, Polish, Espanol, French, Deutsch, all your different Italian, many different languages. Tip sound, turn off, turn on. I think that's tap sound. Date and time, you can adjust the date and time. It's Friday, November 3rd. The year is correct. The month, we'll scroll up. 11, 3, 12, the time is 12:27. 12:27, it's PM. It's in the 12-hour system, but if you want the 24-hour system, military time, you would tap it. Confirm to save it. Let's go back to the home screen. As you can see, it saved the time, 12:27, and the date, Friday, November 3rd. So those are some fantastic features. My favorite feature is this right here. But also be sure to check out my other video where I show you how to wire up the reverse camera so you can see everything that's happening whenever you put the vehicle into reverse. This also has an up and down swivel. It's adjustable. If you want to pick one of these units up, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab it right there. And also from November 1st to November 11th, I believe it is, they are offering an even better discount than usual. For your discount, you will enter Geofatboy and you'd normally get 15% off. But between November 1st and November 11th of 2023, the discount is increased to 30%. So after that time, it'll go back to 15%. Just enter Geofatboy for your discount code. A fantastic unit, low profile. If you have an older vehicle that doesn't have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, this will be a very welcome addition, and it adds so many features to your car, well worth the money spent. Okay, I'm back. I hope you enjoyed that. The Carpuride W903 unit. This is the newest unit. Low profile, all the fantastic features I showed in the video. If you want to pick one up and save some money, use my coupon code GeoFatBoy. As I said, between now and November 11th, instead of 15% off, you will get 30% off. So if you want one, jump on it. Click the link where it says show more so you can get it right away. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.